I wanted to show you. The chickens are already utilizing the box. Where are you going?
I need to mask off that window. I need to get a razor and scrape the trash off.
Trying to paint this coop and the turkeys are inside.
Now come on everybody. How am I gonna paint it with you in there? Jessica's painting the chicken coop. Hang on. Yeah, you got it. I'll let you roll with it. So it's getting paint right now, so don't paint. It's a good color, huh?
For 30 bucks for 5 gallons?
Alright, that's all you do. You want to finish this up? Hey, are you going to help drive? Nobody? What about you, Kenny? Where are you going? Work time.
Heading back your way, heading back over to the cold shoulder of Ontario, and I'm tracing your face with words to a page that I found on the plane. And the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead here. And the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead or anything at all. And I had to leave that place as well as that damn city, home to all the stress that it brings me. I packed up my words, I've lost her that I made, and I fucked off to Spain. 'Cause the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead here. And the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead or anything at all. At all. At all. At all. At all. I'm heading back your way, heading back over to the cold shoulder of Ontario, and I'm tracing your face with words to a page that I found on the plane. 'Cause the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead here. And the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead or anything at all. I that flicker like feathers on a hill.
Now we built that on a pallet. He built the pallet so that we could move it. All right, fell off the front, but we're back in the game. I'll be able to put it right up to it.
Well, level for them picky chickens. Funny thing is the ones that have been using it won't get to use it. You guys are the tiniest.
Pop!
You might need a ramp.
You don't need a ramp.
Alright. Just gonna start putting them in.
We'll figure it out.
You guys getting bugs? Alright. Hi, little guineas. You like being out in the grass? Hey. Oh, you found some leaves? Hi. Oh, yeah? You guys dancing? Y'all getting crazy. Where you going? Alright. Everybody calm down. Calm down. There's nothing to get excited about. Come on, get away from the guineas.
Grass that flicker like feathers on a hill within a salted breeze, under cooling kind weather, shaped by the scent of the sea.